Hey everyone, this is the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module which I'm using. Now for connecting this, you have to connect your RX pin over here. Well, you may see the pin connection, and after connecting it, I got this thing. So I have attached this CHPD and plus VCC into one wire so that it will be easy to connect, and you have to leave your GPIO pins as floating so you do not have to connect it. Keep your reset pin like this for now. I'm using an Arduino Mega over here. Instead you can use an Arduino Uno as well, but for our project we are using an Arduino Mega. Now in this Mega you have to connect this plus VCC and CHPD of this pin as 3.3. Be sure of the connection. After connecting it, you see that I've connected this VCC and CHPD as 3.3. If you're able to see it properly, I don't know. Yeah, it's 3 connected to 3.3. This ground goes to ground. The reset pin which is connected in the ESP goes to the reset pin of the Arduino. Your RX, remember that your RX should go to RX and TX should go to TX initially and not the other way around, because for this case your ESP module is using this Arduino as a power device and to get 3.3 volts instead of using it as the Arduino itself. So when you're connecting like this, you won't be able to use the Arduino for other purposes. For this case, you are only using it as a power device, and for this reason you have to use your RX to RX and TX to TX. Okay, and by mistake never give plus 5 voltage to this ESP, otherwise it will burn it. I repeat, never give plus 5 voltage. This ESP module works only when you connect it to a 3.3 volt, otherwise it will burn the device.
Well, after connecting your Arduino, you have to open this Arduino IDE. I'm using the version of 1.6.4. First, you have to check your serial port. So since I'm using a Mega, you have to change the port in this case. So after giving the port and then change the board as Mega. So initially you have to run a blank code here. So uploading this blank code, it's compiling. By the way, you could get this blank code from file examples, then basics, and then this bare minimum. Now it's done uploading. You open the serial monitor and you get this AA over here. I don't know how, but you get this AA, and you have to set the baud rate to 115200 because this is the default baud rate of the ESP device, and you have to set this as both NL and CR. So let's get started. You have to enter 80 over here. After 80 it will give OK. Now if you give 80 plus GMR, it will give you the version of the firmware over here, and if you give 80 plus RST, it will give this state of the device, and after that it will stay ready. Now initially I connected to a Wi-Fi, so it says Wi-Fi disconnect because I'm not connecting it to the Wi-Fi as of now. So now open your command prompt over here, press CMD and run as an administrator. So once you open this command prompt, you have to type this and then set your Wi-Fi, I mean the Wi-Fi which is connected to your laptop, as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Now here, this will be your host name, basically your SSID name, your hotspot name, and this is your password. So once you press this, this will set your Wi-Fi, and then you have to start your Wi-Fi. Okay, so after setting your Wi-Fi, you change this to start. So this, okay, sorry, I made a mistake over here. Now your Wi-Fi has started. Now once you start your Wi-Fi, you press AT plus RST once again to check whether it's ready. Yes, it is ready. Now you have to press AT plus CWLAP to list all the access points. It will list all your access points. Now the Wi-Fi which we selected was this thing, your ad hoc. Alright. Now initially, since it was connected to a Wi-Fi beforehand, you have to quit the access point. QAP means quit access point. Alright. So OK means it disconnected to a previously connected Wi-Fi. Now you type AT plus CWJAP equal to the name of the hotspot which you want to select, which is ad hoc in our case. Enter the name in double quotes, then comma, and again double quotes, and our password was password if I'm not wrong. And remember, it is very case sensitive. You have to type this as I'm showing it to you. So after pressing it, it got connected, Wi-Fi got connected. Now it's got an IP. So in order to see the IP of the device, you press AT plus CIFSR. See, it shows you the IP of your device, the MAC address of your Wi-Fi module, as well as the static IP to which it's got connected and the static MAC address. So after connecting it, you're actually ready to roll.